Hello everybody, and welcome to the second page of assignment II. We're on page 358, and the directions here say determine whether each set of measures can be the measures of the sides of a right triangle, then state whether they form a Pythagorean triple. Okay, now Pythagorean triple will satisfy the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but they must be whole numbers, so that's going to determine whether they are Pythagorean triple in a lot of cases. So for number one, if we test the equation 30 squared plus 40 squared equals 50 squared, it turns out that this equation does work. 900 plus 1600 equals 2500. So two yeses. Yes, they are the sides of a right triangle, and yes, they are whole numbers, so they satisfy the Pythagorean triple. For number two, does 20 squared plus 30 squared equal 40 squared? And the answer is no. This is 400 plus 900 equal to 1600. That is not the case. So no, they are not a Pythagorean, a right triangle, and no, they are not a Pythagorean triple because of that. For number three, does 18 squared plus 24 squared equal 30 squared? And 18 squared is 324. 24 squared is 576. 30 squared is 900. So yes, that does work. 324 plus 576 does equal 900. Yes, it's a right triangle. Yes, it satisfies the Pythagorean triple. Number four, 6 squared plus 8 squared. Does that equal 9 squared? And the answer is no. 36 plus 64 does not equal 81. So no, not a right triangle, not a Pythagorean triple. Number five, if I square 3/7 and square 4/7, does that equal 5/7 squared? Let me just make an equation out of this. And turns out we have 9 over 49 plus 16 over 49 equals 25 over 49. Yes, that does work, and that is a right triangle. But to answer the question of Pythagorean triple, no. Pythagorean triples go with whole numbers. For number six, 10 squared plus 15 squared, does that equal 20 squared? And 10 squared is 100. 15 squared is 225. 220 squared is 400 though. No, 100 plus 225 does not equal that. No, it's not a right triangle. No, it's not a Pythagorean triple. And so that's what you're doing here for these last three. Here we have square roots. If I square root, I end up with the original problem. So basically this is asking, does 5 plus 12 equal 13? And the answer is no. So that's no for both of those. And you do the same for 8 and 9. Now down here, 10, 11, 12, it says a family of Pythagorean triples consists of multiples known as known triples. For each Pythagorean triple, find two triples in the same family. This is really easy to do. These are Pythagorean triples. We can just multiply them by any integer, any positive integer, to get another set of the family of Pythagorean triples. So let's multiply 3, 4, and 5 by 2. We get 6, 8, and 10. Those also are Pythagorean triples. Let's multiply those by 2. 12, 16, 20. Again, another Pythagorean triple. For number 11, let's multiply by 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 12 times 3 is 36. 13 times 3 is 39. Let's divide by 2. 2.5, 6, and 6.5. There, another set of Pythagorean triples. So, and that's what you're going to be doing on number 12. So see if you can come up with some families for 7, 24, and 25. And that's all we have.